Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making this beautiful purse. So if this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. It's just 4 minutes video. Try and watch it to the end. So this is our measurement that we are going to be needing for the purse. 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. We need 2 pieces. So now I want to shape it. We are going to shape it by 1.5 inch on both sides. 1.5 inch down and 1.5 inch from the other side. So that is what we are going to use to shape it. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome. My name is Elijah Alice. I'm a bag maker, and on this channel all we do is bag making. Any type of bag you want to learn, you can check on this channel. You will see different type of bags, and then you can learn and then ask your question. So you are welcome. Please subscribe. This is your first time of coming. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. God bless you. So we have shaped it. I actually shape one, then use one to shape the other one, then notch the center. So the next thing to do now is to put our cord. This is called cord. If you go to the market, tell them that you want to buy cord if you are new in bag making, and they will give you this. So that is what we want to fix now. So we are done fixing it. I just sew it round. It's not difficult. You can check my previous video to learn how to sew it. So I just sew it, and that is what I did. So the next thing to do is to fix our gusset. This is our zipper, and this is our bottom gusset. Our zipper is 12 inches long. Our bottom gusset is 14 inches long. So we need one zipper pull. I just fix my zipper pull now. So can you see 12 inches and then 14 inches? Just fix one zipper. You can try to fix two, but I actually used one. So after you have cut them, then you join them together like this. Can you see the way I'm showing you? So that is what I will do now. So I will just take it to my sewing machine. Then I will join. I will stitch together. Then I will press stitch. I'm done sewing it. Can you see it now? So I'm done sewing it. So I will now sew it to the main body. But before then, I'm going to notch the center, both the up and the down. So if you have watched to this extent, thank you. Please make sure you watch to the end. Don't just watch 1 minute or 2 minutes and click off. Make sure you watch to the end so that YouTube algorithm can pick our video and push it to others. And please like this video. I want to see your like in the comment section. Drop a like, a comment in the comment section, and drop a like for give us a thumbs up. And God bless you. So now what we are doing is that I'm actually attaching the gusset to the main body. So this is how you will fix it. After you put it like this, then you sew it round. So that's what I'm doing. You will sew it round on this side, and then you will take the other part, the second part, and then place it on it like this, and then stitch it round. So after you have done sewing it like that, see your bag, your purse is ready. Wow, so easy to make, so beautiful. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. If you don't have a question, please just drop a comment in the comment section for us. So I actually put a ring, a zipper ring on this. You can decide not to use it. I just fix it just to make it beautiful. Can you see our purse? Our purse is ready. Thank you for watching. And for some of my video, you can also check out some of my video that will pop up on this video, either on this side or on the other side. Please subscribe. Thank you.